Do you want to make money online? That's exactly what I'm going to show you. Work from home jobs, and you can make $15 per hour working from home. Before we continue, make a like and click on the subscribe and bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. This is just one of many work from home jobs that I will show you how to make money online fast. I will go through the options of this site right now. This site is called the Chat Shop. Basically, what the Chat Shop does is they provide a live chat option to all their customers. They employ you to sit there, and when somebody clicks on live chat option, you respond to all their questions. And the Chat Shop is a fantastic company, and what they do is provide you with world-class training to set you up for success, where you will be working with third party in a variety of different industries or sectors. You can see different sectors from education to finance to e-commerce and so on, and will be providing customer service through live chat. And if you don't know what live chatting is, if you have used particular software and maybe you had a question and you clicked on button saying chat now or get live support, and then you will be able to chat with a live human and get your question answered immediately. And now if you sign up, you'll be able on the other end of that, so you'll be helping customers with their issues. Maybe they have questions about a service or something, so you will have to find a solution to, and that will be your role. And there is actually a chat called the Chat Shop Live Chat. The website have a chat option. If you want to go to the About section and then click on Join Us, and you will need to answer a few questions. So join our team, and then you need to answer a few questions and submit a cover letter and resume. And if you would like your resume, you need to do live chat with them, and then the skills assessment, and then a phone interview. And if you are accepted for the job, you will need to provide references as well. And as far as requirements, most of the jobs require you to live in the US or the UK. They want you to be able to type 65 words per minute or 80 words per minute, which is fast, and have an excellent grammar and excellent command of the English language. And you are going to need some equipment like the monitors, so you can switch between screens, and there will be a lot of back and forth for this kind of work. You know, microphone headset as well, so you can hear someone talking and you can speak into the mic. And I think that's more for the group meetings and stuff. And then also you will need a webcam for meetings as well, and you should be available to work 36 to 40 hours a week. And they pay between $10 to $15 an hour, and they pay out twice a month. And you need to buy your own equipment, and you have to handle your own taxes. And so what is my final verdict on the Chat Shop is a leisure. It is a leisure work from home, and they will train you, they will pay out on time, and they offer real jobs. And I don't think you want to be doing this sort of work long term. You will be expected to multiply clients or customers, and you will be working for multiple clients, and each client is going to have their own policies that you will have to learn. And after training, they expect you can type 80 words per minute. That's what they say and want. And if you have questions or you have issues, which does not happen with this sort of remote customer service rules, and there won't be anyone there to help you, you will be completely on your own. And as someone who worked in a call center, it is kind of similar work to this. And of course, you will have issues. Yeah, it just happens. Customer will ask you something, you don't know the answer, or policies will change, or any tech issues happen all the time. But if there is no one there to help you, that puts you in a problematic situation, and they expect you to be very flexible with your schedule. So I think they are expecting a lot out of their contract from easily $10 an hour. And if you are willing to put in this much many hours and much focus into something, you will be better. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Chat Shop, and here where you can earn more money than you can. Please feel free to share in a comment below, and also if you have any questions, just ask in a comment below. And I hope this video helped you, and make sure to hit a like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out any videos about to make extra money online.